The Turkish armed forces have achieved another milestone in the operational capabilities of the ANKA III Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV. Together with Aselsan, the ANKA drone launched the TOLUN guided munition from its internal bay. Türk Hava Silahları posted a video on social media showing the launch. ANKA III successfully launches munitions from inside the hull. The launch was carried out with Aselsan's domestic and national TOLUN munitions at an altitude of 20,000 feet at a speed of 180 knots. With the launch from inside the hull, ANKA III once again proved its operational capability and engineering skills. "We continue to work day and night for our country," Türk Hava Silahları wrote. The TOLUN is an advanced guided munition capable of being deployed from the air platform via the Showdown 4T multi-carrying pod (MCP). It is designed for use against both hard and soft land-based targets, utilizing integrated GPS or INS guidance systems for precision strikes. This missile can be deployed against a range of objectives, offering significant flexibility for operators. When carried by the Showdown 4T, up to 4 TOLUN munitions can be loaded onto a single aircraft, enabling it to target and neutralize 8 distinct targets in a single sortie. Equipped with deployable wings, the TOLUN extends its range to effectively target threats up to 55 nautical miles away. Its reinforced nose cone allows it to penetrate fortified structures, including concrete bunkers and other hardened targets. This capability is particularly valuable in environments where enemy infrastructure is well protected. The TOLUN's precision strike capability, combined with its minimal collateral damage, makes it especially effective against strategic military targets within urban settings or areas with civilian populations. Key features of the TOLUN include the ability to carry 4 munitions per wing when mounted on an F-16, enabling the aircraft to neutralize up to 8 targets in one mission. Its wings remain folded until shortly after release, at which point they deploy to generate the necessary aerodynamic lift for maximum range. The missile is capable of penetrating 1-meter thick reinforced concrete, with a pressure resistance of up to 5,000 psi, and is designed to detonate upon impact, ensuring the destruction of its target. Due to its high precision and low secondary damage, the TOLUN is an invaluable asset in urban warfare and against strategic targets in civilian-populated areas. Its ability to minimize collateral damage while delivering effective strikes against hardened enemy positions makes it an indispensable tool for modern air forces. The combination of the ANKA III drone with the TOLUN munition offers a potent capability for modern warfare, particularly in precision strikes against hard and soft targets. The ANKA III, a versatile Turkish UAV, provides an ideal platform for deploying advanced munitions like the TOLUN. With its ability to carry and release multiple munitions simultaneously, the ANKA III enhances the strike potential of the TOLUN, enabling the drone to target multiple objectives in a single mission. The ANKA III's endurance and operational range complement the TOLUN's capabilities, allowing for precision engagement of distant targets, including hardened facilities and bunkers. The TOLUN's aerodynamic design, which includes deployable wings for extended range, makes it a particularly effective weapon when launched from an aerial platform like the ANKA III. This allows the drone to carry out high-value missions over extended periods while maintaining a low profile and avoiding direct confrontation. In terms of battlefield effectiveness, the combination of these two assets would excel in both conventional and asymmetric warfare environments. The TOLUN's ability to strike deep behind enemy lines, coupled with the ANKA III's ability to loiter over target areas for extended durations, ensures that high-value targets, such as enemy command centers or fortified positions, can be neutralized with precision. The TOLUN's reinforced nose cone allows it to penetrate heavy concrete defenses, making it ideal for targeting enemy fortifications, while its minimal collateral damage makes it a suitable choice for operations in urban environments where civilian populations may be at risk. Additionally, the tactical advantage provided by the ANKA III and TOLUN combination lies in its flexibility. The drone can be deployed for reconnaissance missions before launching the TOLUN, providing real-time intelligence on enemy positions and updating strike parameters. This real-time intelligence allows for dynamic targeting, ensuring that the TOLUN is used with maximum effectiveness against shifting targets. The low risk to personnel further enhances the value of this combination, as it provides a safe and effective means of engaging high-value targets without putting pilots in harm's way. Overall, the operational synergy between the ANKA III and TOLUN creates a highly capable platform for executing precise, high-impact strikes. This combination would be particularly effective in modern warfare scenarios, where precision, range, and minimal collateral damage are key to mission success. The ANKA III is a Turkish-made unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed to deliver cutting-edge operational capabilities for modern warfare. It represents a significant advancement over its predecessors in terms of payload capacity, range, endurance, and versatility, offering enhanced performance for a variety of military applications. The ANKA III has been developed to fulfill both reconnaissance and strike missions, serving as a highly effective platform for carrying out precision operations with minimal risk to personnel. One of the standout features of the ANKA III is its design, which optimizes both aerodynamics and functionality. The aircraft is equipped with advanced avionics and control systems, making it capable of fully autonomous flight, as well as manual control when necessary. It measures approximately 12 meters in length with a wingspan of around 20 meters, offering a robust airframe capable of withstanding the stresses of long-duration flights while maintaining stability and performance. Its maximum takeoff weight is approximately 4,500 kilograms, with the ability to carry a variety of mission-specific payloads. The propulsion system of the ANKA III consists of a turboprop engine, providing a blend of fuel efficiency and power for extended-range missions. This engine allows the UAV to reach speeds of up to 200 knots and operate at altitudes of up to 35,000 feet, making it suitable for a wide range of tactical and strategic operations. The turboprop engine also ensures that the drone has a long endurance, capable of staying aloft for up to 24 hours, depending on the payload and mission parameters. This extended flight time makes the ANKA III an ideal platform for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, where loitering for prolonged periods over an area of interest is essential. The ANKA III is equipped with several radar and sensor systems that enhance its operational capabilities. These include synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical or infrared sensors, and an electronic warfare suite. The ANKA III also integrates advanced communications and data link systems, allowing it to maintain secure, real-time communications with ground control stations or other platforms. These systems provide both line-of-sight and beyond line-of-sight connectivity, ensuring that the UAV can operate effectively in a variety of operational environments, including remote or contested areas. This connectivity is crucial for both situational awareness and for the effective execution of missions, particularly in scenarios where coordination with other assets, such as manned aircraft or ground forces, is required. In terms of payload capacity, the ANKA III is capable of carrying a wide range of weapons and sensors, including precision-guided munitions, bombs, and surveillance equipment. The UAV can be equipped with a variety of visual and infrared targeting systems, allowing it to conduct both direct strike missions and intelligence gathering. The aircraft's internal payload bay is designed to minimize radar cross-section, allowing it to operate with reduced detectability in hostile environments. The ANKA III's flexibility in payload options allows it to be used in a variety of missions, including close air support, strategic strikes, surveillance, and intelligence operations. For its offensive capabilities, the ANKA III can be armed with a wide array of guided weapons. These include air-to-ground missiles, precision bombs, and other smart munitions, which can be deployed against a variety of targets, from soft targets like enemy infantry or vehicles to hard targets such as bunkers or infrastructure. The drone's ability to carry these weapons gives it the versatility to execute a wide range of tactical and strategic missions. The integration of the TOLUN guided munition, for example, makes the ANKA III even more lethal, enabling it to engage reinforced concrete targets with pinpoint accuracy. The ANKA III is also designed for ease of maintenance and rapid deployment. Its systems are modular, allowing for quick replacements or upgrades depending on mission requirements. Additionally, the UAV can be launched and recovered from a variety of platforms, including airbases and mobile launch systems, which ensures its operational flexibility in diverse theater environments. Overall, the ANKA III is a highly capable UCAV that combines advanced avionics, propulsion, payload capacity, and weapon systems into a single, versatile platform. Its ability to carry out both reconnaissance and strike missions, along with its long endurance and diverse operational capabilities, make it a valuable asset for modern military forces. Whether used for intelligence gathering, surveillance, or precision strikes, the ANKA III provides commanders with a powerful tool for achieving mission success in complex and contested environments. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.